Today is the Loaded Fries Challenge, and this show is proudly sponsored by Pizza World. I hope Loaded Fries said that Pizza World in Kwana Obenyebi. Now today's challenge is eat half of this loaded fries in the next 10 seconds. Why not bet me finish half of this in 10 seconds?
Nat, is you ready?
I am ready. Half of this loaded fries in 10 seconds.
Your time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go. You have 5 seconds more. Let's go. Yeah, ditch the spoon. And time is up. Time's up. Mr. Isaac.
Yes.
Is you ready?
Yes, I am.
Your time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Go! The time is running. Go! 3 seconds more. 2, 1. Time is up. Time's up. Exit. Is you ready?
Ready.
Your time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 5 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a poor attempt. Time's up. You have to use your hand and grab it. Fifi, is you ready?
Ready or not? Here I come.
Okay, your time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and action. Go. Okay, 5 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. That was an amazing try. Something touched